Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Thanks for checking out the channel. We have been just messed up with this quote-unquote winter storm that just hit the south. And because of that, Tessa has not been able to have a good bath. So today, we're gonna go through showing you how I do my hand wash on my Tesla Model 3. So we're gonna blast everything down with the foam cannon, and then we're gonna go through with our mitt and we're just gonna move that, we're gonna agitate that around and then get that nice clean finish on it that way. The bucket's really just going to be used for removing sediment from the mitt. Now this package came to us from Tesbros. They're actually semi-local. They're based out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're in Nashville, so they're only about maybe 2 hours or so from us. So what we ordered this time was just a simple cleaning kit. It's a 4-stage cleaning kit. And in this video, we're just going to be doing the exterior, so we're going to use a couple of the products. And I always like to open these up just to smell them. I wouldn't say that one smells good like some of them, but really it doesn't matter if it smells good. The focus is how well it cleans. So we'll get into that in a minute. Now, I have had this in the past, and this stuff is awesome. So they have a waterless car wash as well. Now this actually does smell really good, but I have one that's already open that I use in the garage. We'll probably do a little demo on how that stuff works too. Again, it's gonna come with its own little sprayer attachment. And then fourth, I'm actually pretty anxious to try this, is their glass cleaner. So I am going to use this since we do know there's a lot of glass on this vehicle in particular. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. Got a citrusy scent to it. And then of course, again, we've got our own little sprayer. We'll switch this over to spray and put this on like so. So there you have it. Now, an extremely important step when you're going to be using a foam cannon is to make sure that you use nice hot water. So we're just gonna go ahead and start filling her up. Screw that in. I'm going to roll it around a few times to try and get a nice even color. Then for your bucket, same thing. Get that nice hot water in there. I've also got the little diffuser here that's going to make sure that when we rub our brush on it, that we get rid of that extra sediment. Now we're gonna fill this up and we'll meet you outside. Before we get into washing the car itself, I wanted to show you this waterless car wash that we talked about. This stuff is just great for when you can't get out and wash the car. What you're gonna do is just spray it directly onto the surface of the vehicle, and you can see we just have so much dirt and grime from the road. It's just nasty. And we're just gonna take a nice dry microfiber cloth, a clean one, and just wipe. And then you can see all that dirt coming off right there. So we're gonna flip it over to another clean side of the rag and just do the same thing. You could do the whole car like this if you wanted to. Take a little while, but it would work. It works really well. So first we're gonna start with rinsing the entire car. Of course, this is sped up, but you get the idea. time for this glass cleaner that I'm so excited for. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but you have to dry your car. It makes it look so much better when you don't have all those water spots. Well, there you go. We worked up a pretty good sweat. Test is clean. Everything's right in the world. The car wash shampoo did great. The window cleaner did great. Hopefully you can see that based on some of these clips. I did notice that a little bit of a scent did start to come as it bubbled up, and it was a pretty pleasant scent. Of course, the window cleaner or glass cleaner, like I said before, did have a citrusy scent. It was pretty nice too as I was using it. I would give the foaming factor maybe like a 6 or a 7 out of 10. It's not as foamy as some of them, but that was definitely in the back of my mind after I saw how good it was cleaning. It really brought that white back out. I'd be really curious to see how it does on some of the darker colors, but overall super happy with this product. I think you will be too. And if you're interested in trying out the product, I'll make sure to put a link down below that can get you guys a little discount if you put that in. Aside from that though, hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. There's a lot of products out there. I got some other stuff coming. I can't wait to review it for you.